Hi, my name is Vijaya, and I'm a rising sophomore at Lindbergh High School, and for my final milestone, I uploaded Gcon to my machine to make it run, and here's a quick demo of it. So here's what it drew. So I can also draw more complicated things, and something I've ran a couple of times is a Pokemon. Okay. So when I first started this milestone, I thought it would be my fastest milestone, but what happened is that a lot of my machine was unstable. So my old pen mechanism was too smooth, and I kept on running down. So I had to take my project a couple milestones back and cut out a new pen mechanism, which is the one I use right now, and it's a lot more stable. Also, a couple days later, my motor stopped working, so I had to figure out what was doing that. So I tested out my motor shield, a couple wires, and eventually they started to work again. So what I use is G-code, and G-code is a programming language for machines. And I also use Inkscape, which is a graphics editor, and I upload my images through there. During this milestone, I learned the importance of constructing your machine and how certain things need to be in certain places so everything runs smoothly, and I learned how to do that with this. Overall, BlueStamp has been an experience where I got to meet a lot of new people and also be independent at the same time, and it's taught me that I really love project-based things. Thank you.